So, good day and welcome to yet another lesson in our study of Bash. I hope you've been enjoying the lesson and everything is going on very well for you. Alright, if you're having any difficulty, you can go back to the playlist in this video and watch all the videos and everything will be fine. So, today I'm here to teach you how to create functions in Bash. Okay. So, what is a Bash function? So a bash function is essentially a set of commands that can be called numerous times. And what is the purpose of writing a function? So the purpose of a function is to help make your bash script more readable and avoid writing the same code repeatedly. So mostly when you are writing codes, we do write function because we don't want to repeat the same thing. Okay, we don't want to keep on repeating the same thing, especially if we are going to do that thing several times in our code. We just write a function so that anytime we want to use it, we call the function to do it. Okay. So compared to most programming languages, bash functions are somewhat limited. And the general syntax for it is that we have some different ways in which you can do it, okay? But what I'm coming to teach you here is the most preferred and more used format. So don't be surprised if you see a different thing somewhere. They all work the same way, okay? So what we do is that we begin with a function name. Then we leave a space. Then we open parentheses and we close it, okay? Then we leave a space. Then we have our curly brackets at one line. Then we go to the next line and write our commands. These are our commands will take 1,000 lines. Then we write them. Then after that, we end with what? The curly bracket here. Okay, so that's the general syntax. So I think I have one example here to illustrate what I just did. Okay. I think I called it function. So here I am defining the function to echo hello world, right? So see how I do it. So my function name is called hello. I leave a space. I open parentheses. I close it. I leave a space. Then I open what? My curly bracket. Then is the command. When a function is called, this is what I want it to do. I want it to what? Echo hello world. Then I close it. The curly bracket. Then this hello here is the name of the function. So whenever I type hello, it will what? Call the function hello world. So for instance, so you see I've called hello 5 times. So that means when I run this code, it will echo hello world 5 times. Okay, so let me save it. Okay, so you can see hello world 5 times. I told you. Okay, so it's very simple to write functions in bash. Let's take a second example. So there's a function I wrote to calculate the area of a rectangle. Okay, so it is area, then that's the name of the function. Then I open and I close parentheses. Then I leave one line, one space, go to my curly bracket, and that's what I want it to do. So whenever that function area is called, it will ask the user to what? Enter the length, enter the breadth, then it will what? Calculate what the area of it, right? So when I finish, then I call the function. So whenever I call the function area, because that's the name, then the command will come. So see something. I hope you can see that it worked perfectly well. But one thing I want you to know is that the usage of the function is not limited to what I just did. You can use to do a whole lot of things. You can even use it to take arguments and a whole lot of stuff. So try practicing with it and you can do a whole lot of things with it. But I just introduce you to it, the general syntax and how to use it. Okay, so that's it with how to create functions in Bash. I hope you enjoyed it. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care.